Do you want to know how you can link your Facebook account in your Quizlet account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can link your Facebook account in Quizlet. Go ahead and open Quizlet.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on your profile and go to Settings. Scroll down until you find Connect your Facebook account. Go ahead and click Link Facebook and it will lead you to a different page where you can see that you can continue with your username, and after you allow access to Facebook, you will now link your Facebook account with your Quizlet account. You can see that now your Facebook has been linked. Now to unlink it again, go ahead and press Link Facebook and you can see that your Facebook account has been unlinked again. So guys, it's quite easy. You should go ahead and log into your account and then you can go ahead and log in with your password as well. So go ahead and log in with your password, press enter, go to your profile and go to settings. Scroll down and you can see Connect with Facebook account. So go ahead and click Link Facebook. It will lead you to a separate access page where you can see that now you have linked your Facebook account with Quizlet. I hope this video about how you can link your Facebook account with Quizlet was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.